now for females out there to join a STEM club. I think it's really important. Even, yeah, sometimes at the beginning you might be like, oh, maybe I'm not going to be able to be as good enough, or maybe I won't learn everything quick enough. But you know what? You're there and you're learning, and that's something you should be proud of.
I always see so many guys around me and like not as much girls, but that just motivates me more to show more people that girls can also do it.
It's really important to show others that you think that you are capable of so much more, because you definitely are.
Try to go for the STEM field because it's just so fun and so interesting. Especially, I have a lot to say about women in STEM because it's such an important matter and not a lot of people talk about it. So women in STEM, I definitely recommend whoever wants to join.
What I like about STEM is that STEM has so many different things you could do, and it's really interesting to learn about.
I would tell her that there's not a limit that you can have, and you can do whatever you want if you put your mind into it.
My teacher, he told me if I wanted to join them, and I said yes because I thought it was going to be a cool experience, and ever since I started, I've been having a lot of fun.
I learn a lot from women in STEM because we get to show women can be leaders.
And I'm very excited for this upcoming year for rocketry, especially because I started my own all-girls team, and that kind of implements the Young Women in STEM Club, right? Because it's kind of giving purpose to the achievement. But definitely this year I really hope to be top 10, just so that I can prove once again that women are there to win it and bring it on.